Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to merge albums with albums. So you can see here that I have multiple different albums that would be kind of around the whole wallpaper theme, but you'd also really be able to use this if you're somebody who goes on vacations. You can create a vacation album where maybe you went on vacation in Cancun, maybe a vacation from Florida, and then maybe Denver, and you put all three albums together so you have one of them that is from all of your vacations. But because I don't take a lot of vacations lately, I'm going to show you what you're able to do with your wallpapers, just as an example. So press and hold on any of these little albums, and you want to just drag and drop it on top of another. So when you see that little highlighted area around the wallpaper box, so I'm just going to call this one here wallpapers, just because this is going to be putting basically all of them together in one. Now, let's say that we needed to add in a few more. I'd be able to do a drag and drop, and now I got 3 different albums in this one album. When you tap there, you can see all 3, and then you just go right in there, and if you wanted to, you can get rid of some of those albums. You can like merge them fully, but this is a way if you wanted to keep them separate. So I still have 2 more that I want to add in here, but let's say that this one was created. Maybe I just got done doing another vacation. I'd be able to tap on the right-hand side. I'm going to go inside of here and I'm going to hit on Add Albums. So now this is where you just want to add in more albums. So I'm going to do wallpapers here, S20 wallpapers, and then that's it. I'm going to hit on Done, and now I have 5 albums in one. So it's a way that you're really able to clear the clutter of everything going on up here and then put them all in this one little album. So that is it for today. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with